Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in beauty products. Today, we're diving into the Essence by Panda Eyes Tubing Mascara, hailed as a game-changer in the world of mascaras. If you're tired of Panda Eyes by midday or struggling with smudges, this might just be your new go-to. Stick around as we uncover what makes this mascara stand out from the crowd. First off, let's talk about what sets the Essence by Panda Eyes mascara apart. Unlike traditional mascaras that can flake or smudge throughout the day, this tubing mascara uses a unique formula. Instead of coating your lashes with pigment, it forms tiny water-resistant tubes around each lash. What does that mean for you? No more Panda Eyes. Whether you're caught in a rain shower or facing a long day, this mascara stays put until you decide to remove it. What's impressive is its ease of removal. Forget harsh makeup removers, this mascara simply slides off with warm water and gentle pressure. It's a game changer for those with sensitive eyes or anyone looking for a hassle-free makeup routine. Let's delve into the benefits. Not only is it smudge-proof and flake-free, but it also gives your lashes incredible volume and definition. The tubing formula ensures each lash is individually coated, enhancing length and curl without clumping. Plus, it's cruelty-free, vegan, and free from parabens, oils, and fragrances. Perfect for those who prioritize clean beauty and ethical products. Now, let's talk results. Users rave about how this mascara transforms their lashes from ordinary to extraordinary. Whether you have short lashes or are looking to amplify your natural volume, the Essence by Panda Eyes mascara delivers. It's a favorite among beauty enthusiasts for its reliability and performance. For best results, start with clean, dry lashes. Apply the mascara from root to tip using the specially designed wand, ensuring each lash is coated evenly. You'll notice how effortlessly it separates and defines each lash, giving you that coveted wide-eyed look. How does it stack up against other mascaras on the market? Unlike traditional mascaras that can be messy or require multiple coats, this tubing mascara simplifies your makeup routine. It's lightweight yet long-lasting, ideal for all-day wear without the need for touch-ups. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a mascara that ticks all the boxes, smudge-proof, volumizing, and easy to remove, the Essence by Panda Eyes Tubing Mascara is a must-try. It combines innovation with practicality, offering a solution to common makeup woes. Don't just take our word for it, join the thousands of users who swear by its performance. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you've tried this mascara or have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and beauty tips. Until next time, stay beautiful.